Assalamualaikum geng. Hari ni kita nak pergi launching MotoGP 2026 dekat KLCC. So aku bersama siapa? Amin. Suka kau kat depan-depan. So kat KLCC so dah lama rasanya KL ataupun Malaysia tak dapat menjadi consider tuan rumah, Amin. Kan? Ya. So okey lah, jom kita terus ke sana. Jangan bawa masa, aku dah lambat sebenarnya. Tapi jom aku bawa korang tengok apa ada kat sana, sebab aku pun tak tahu apa ada kat sana. Nampak gaya kita terkandas guys, hujan. So kita sekarang dekat NKVE Petronas NKVE. Benar kan sebab berapa ramai yang sadai. Tapi aku rasa dekat area KLCC pun rasanya tengah hujan lebat. So maybe diorang tunda lah kan. Tengoklah lepak luar nak macam mana benda nak hujan. Kita nak lawan pun tak boleh. Alright, tunggu dulu lah. So dah lalang berhenti, kita tengok-tengok donat sikit. Apa ada? Apa ada? Susah jawab. Ambil gelis lah. Gelis dua. Amin belanja Amin? Tak miskin. Kita dah sampai parking motor dekat Suria KLCC. So kita parking dekat basement. Kalau tengok balik kat sini, view sekarang ni memang banyak motor-motor ni. Ush, ada MotoGP punya kamera. So banyak. So aku pun tak tahu, aku baru first time ke sini. Aku tak pasti sama ada macam mana nak naik ni, apa benda semua. Pertama kali. Tu boleh nampak kat situ aku bawa KTM aku lah. KTM lama ni. Ni KTM yang baru. Tu yang baru. So jom ikut aku jalan-jalan. Tapi sementara tu aku nak bubuh dulu barang-barang ni. Macam-macam barang ada. Sebab kita bawa pilihan hari ni. So banyaklah barang dia. Okay, kejap, stay tune. Aku tak pasti. Ya tu, muka macam familiar. So besar rupanya motor park basement ni. Aku tak tahu ni Amin ni betul ke tak betul ni. Ini lapang ni. Maksudnya berapa banyak boleh masuk. Sebab walaupun aku orang Kelang, tapi jarang juga aku nak pergi ke KLCC ni. Tapi tak apalah, kita cuba. So betul lah tu. Kat situ kita ada nampak lift. Mana? Oh, ni kapak. Alright. Dah tu mall. So kalau ikutkan basement ni dekat P3. Kat sini. Lepas tu kita nak ke mana? Tak tahulah. Tu gelap. Cuba je lah Haji. Sepi. Kita terus akses kepada mall. Ini The Channel. Belakang. Dah nampak dah. Nampak macam ada lampu-lampu di sana. So memang expectation kita kena menampak. Sebaiklah aku pakai sport shoes. So cuma basah sikit lah tadi. Ada apek tu dia boleh lalu pula. Aduh, tapi tak apa. Sini boleh parking lah, shoot. Tapi macam mana nak ke sini?
Kita daripada highway.
macam mana kan. Aku tak tahu sama ada dah start belum, tapi boleh tengok sini entry MotoGP Launch 2026 Kuala Lumpur. Kat atas kau boleh tengok. So orang kampung tu yang batak sikit tu. Padahal Kelang yang sini tak jauh pun. Kadang tu boleh dikatakan selalu kat pergi. Tapi tak menyempat lah nak menyinggah. Oh, ramai Oh. Yes, kita dah nampak dah. Semua cuaca dalam basah tapi dah tidak. Oh, dia dah start kotor. Macam dah tak boleh masuk ni. Nanti aku rasa nanti diorang akan lalu sini kot. Aku rasa kita salah duduk, tapi tak apalah. Nampak view dari tepi je. Dari tepi pun jadi lah. Rugi lah kat tak ke sana. Tapi tak apalah, dari tepi pun okey, dari tepi pun. Maksudnya aku rasa kita kena masuk dalam balik dari ke sana. Diorang tengah nak bagi motor. Apa kata kita cuba? Atau pusing? Amin? Ni kan? Kita pusing.
Diorang merakam apa?
Aku tak tahu, mungkin orang tu lah kot.
Tak.
Pisang geng. Ramai orang. Tapi dari sini kita boleh nampak lah motor. Tak tahulah kalau korang nampak. Aku rasa kat situ okey tu lah. Mantap tu kan. Aku rasa mungkin sini adalah laluan dia kot. Oh ya. Itu pasal aku dengar bunyi. Aku ingat sound effect.
Aku tak penuh lagi ni.
Ya, dah tutup.
Bagi orang lalu.
Aku ingat ke sound effect. Rupanya dia masuk kiri kanan gitu lah. Kita cuba untuk reach over there. Tengok. Boleh ke?
Kena ada pas.
Diorang pakai tu band. Tak boleh. Siapa yang ada pas saja.
Dia kena rotate jauh je.
So kita tak tahu pula kena beli pas.
Aku tahu.
Ada berapa ringgit?
Dia beli online dekat website.
Okay lah, tak apalah. Kita layan kat sini je pelan-pelan. Tunggu lagi. Sebabkan kena pakai pas, kita tak dapat akses.
Kita orang miskin.
Ya, kita orang miskin. Duit tak banyak, orang kampung. So kita cuba untuk menapak masuk mall ke sana. Mana tahu boleh. Kita pun tak tahu, try je lah. Jom. Ya, biar ramai orang. Nampak ni, ramai manusia kat sini. MotoGP Kuala Lumpur. So korang kena berbangga guys, yang mana orang Malaysia bukan senang nak dapat launching. So ni entrance, aku tak tahu entrance mana pula ni. Tapi tak apa, kita try masuk mall. Lepas tu kita try reach sebelah sana. Manalah tahu boleh. Ramai manusia. Padahal basah ni.
Balance tiada.
Balance tiada. Berapa ribu? Berapa ribu?
Kasut baju 5-6 ribu.
Balance tak ada.
Duit macam tu duit ni.
Ya. Kalau ada duit macam tu duduk. Duduk tengok berapa harga, rasa, pegang, bau, minum.
Balance tu memang mahal. Sebab tu LB orang berani masuk lagi.
Yelah, mahal sangat. Ramli Mall.
Kalau kaya tak payah fikir.
Betul? Beli aja. So kita nak cari entrance sekarang ni. Adakah kita dapat pergi ke sana? Oh, tak lama lagi Chinese New Year. Ya. So all those friend Chinese kat dalam ni yang mana tengok Happy Chinese New Year. Akan datang. Yang ni apa? Oh, Gucci. Ada orang pakai je lagi?
Ada.
Ada? Aku kalau kaya pun aku tak pakai sial, beria macam tu. Aku kalau kaya pun aku pakai sikit je. Dah. Cukup. Oh, okey. Ni entrance. Ini pergi mana? Sky Experience. Ini pergi mana, geng? Nasib baiklah. Walaupun berjalan masih lagi dalam mall, sejuk lah. Tak adalah basah ke apa ke. Okay, kita cuba cari jap. Okay, kita dah jumpa. Akhirnya kita jumpa entrance. Lagi satu. Tadi salah. Oi, kau dengar? Macam kat Sepang, bye. orang nampak, aku sendiri pun tak nampak. Bertuah lah korang. Aku tak nak nampak kepala orang je. Aku nampak kutu-kutu berkeliaran, aku tak nampak pun apa yang jadi. Okey, tak apa, kita pergi dekat main stage sana. So kalau ikutkan tentatif yang diorang buat ni adalah diorang akan round pusing lah kat sini kan, dekat area KLCC ni. Dia akan pusing, dia akan round lah. Cuma bila tu aku tak pasti. Oh, ini ramai orang. Tapi tak apa lah, panas. Macam salah pakai jaket. So kalau ikutkan masa lagi tak ada apa, diorang tengah berbual-bual gitu je. Tak apalah, kita tunggu lah. Relax dulu. Itu apa? Sini. Oh, diorang U-turn. Untuk keluar dari mana? Oh, okay, so main stay kat sana. Yang itu kena tipu lah. Tapi tak apalah. Oh, aku tengok. Alamak, geng. Tak macam mana? Tak pernah aku jalan-jalan kat sini. Okay. Situ rupanya. Jom layan. Tapi ramai ah. Kau tengok dah macam apa dah tu. So ini adalah main dia kat sini. Kalau nak pun kena panjat je. So kita kena panjat apa, nak panjat. Dah tua Min, masalahnya. Tinggi ni nak panjat kan? Tak, macam panjat. Boleh tak Min? Proses dia. Tak nampak kenapa ada benda tu. Aku dah berjaya panjat dah. Bolehlah nampak sikit-sikit. Okey lah. Naiklah Min. Ui, ni kalau jatuh ni. Bolehlah nampak kat sini. Tadi ke berjadah je. Jom. Dia mari geng, dia mari. Aku dah tahu lah kat mana. Tu aku nampak area dia tu. Aku nampak kepala, betul lah. Jadilah, nanti aku rasa dia akan ke sana kot.
Se trata de Dubai, we are ready and the most important is that
Dia rotate 2-3 kali baru dia slow down.
Kau bayangkan laju-laju brake jatuh. Malu kan?
Tapi dia bertaraf dunia. Dia bertaraf kampung.
Betul je. Tak, mana tahu manusia manusia tak sempurna.
Laluan tu.
Ya, boleh jadi laluan kat sini. So nak tengok kau tak ada pas, kau kena pakor sikit lah kan. Tadi aku panjat gitu lah, aku tak tahu macam mana aku boleh panjat. Ni nampak gaya macam kena turun sini pula. Nampak gaya lah. Sebab nak tengok. Ui, dapat tengok tu. Aku rasa tengok sana lagi best. Tapi sana ramai lah.
Nampak kan?
Oh, situ syuk.
Tepi tu boleh naik. Cuba try test.
Jom. So nak kena pakor lagi.
Belum gila.
Nampak? Ini jadi dia kalau tak depan. Ada orang dah ke sana pula. Tapi tak apalah. Sekarang ni kita
Malaysia, how cool was that? Can you make some noise? Wow. Phenomenal. Look at them. They're having a laugh together. I bet that was pretty slippery out there when they were over the line.
so sini view yang
Oh, you guys?
okey
I
sikit
don't
lah. Ikutkan kita dah
MotoGP.
kita dah dapat kawasan yang cun. So kita tengah mencari-cari lagi. Kita mencari lagi kawasan-kawasan yang boring sikit. Nampak? Kita menyelinap.
Some noise for your Trackhouse
Whoa.
MotoGP team riders, Raul Fernandez and Ayugura.
Dari screen.
Migs, what have you got going on at the pit boxes, my friend?
We have Aprilia charging up right now, so it's quite noisy. But Davide is joining us. Davide, how was the testing for you guys?
Yeah, the testing went pretty well. We're quite happy because we got a few improvement, few development items from Aprilia. They all working well. We're quite satisfied. Now we try to confirm again at the next festival.
Mana peminat Yamaha? Yamaha pula mari geng.
Make some noise for Alex Ren and Augusto Fernandez.
Ini yang ditunggu-tunggu. Rakyat Malaysia, Yamaha. Why suku?
Here they go.
I think we also have another special guy ready for us, Paolo Pavesio.
Yeah, should we welcome him to the stage?
Yes, come on, go ahead.
Please welcome to the stage, Yamaha Monster Energy, Paolo Palacio!
Paolo, come on and join us.
Dia langgar, dia main air baik.
Hello, ciao, welcome. I mean, isn't this so cool seeing your bikes?
Dalam DJ tu tengah spin Aprilia mari. Dia mesti
Give it up if you ball it. Homie, give it up if you say. Hey, little mama, with that tight dress on.
And they are getting ready, yes. Jorge Martin, Marco Bezzecchi. And Corsa, legend, bringing the vibes here. Jorge, I can see you're a good
Memang
fan.
gantung.
Do you want to come and say hi? Yeah,
Tak dapat habis kan.
Marco, welcome, come on up. That was so cool, you guys. So cool. You're doing the urban circuit. Stay here, don't go. You're doing the laps around the circuit. Pulse's playing the vibes. The man, it was so cool. It's so cool seeing him here, right?
Yeah, that's the vibe. To finish the lap with him is so amazing. So thanks for his music. Thanks all for being here, and we start the 2026 season. Vamos.
Jorge, I have to ask you, first time we're seeing you on the bike in 2026. Was that so cool?
Yeah, first corner I had to put the foot down because I thought I was gonna cross the game, but yeah, Marco was showing me the lines and it was a good ride.
I love that the camaraderie is already happening on our urban street circuit here in Kuala Lumpur. Marco, that must have been so cool, right? To ride your bikes in the street, but for me here, the sound going up the buildings was cool. Did you enjoy it?
Hello everyone, ciao. Yeah, it's been amazing to ride the MotoGP bike in the street, and it was fantastic to see so many people. Unfortunately, we could do just 2 laps, but yeah, fantastic and very happy to be here, and finally we start.
I want to talk to you about testing because we know you've been in Sepang because 2026, the start of the season is just around the corner. Are you excited for the season? Are you feeling confident going into 26?
Yeah, I am very happy to start again. The test in Sepang was super good, and now we will move to Buriram, so very happy to ride the bike, to feel the speed again. Always exciting to jump on the MotoGP, so can't wait to start racing.
We can't wait either to see you guys on there, but Jorge, how cool is it being here? I'm going to jump in the middle, so I'm not doing this all the time. No, you're fine. We're right under the Petronas Towers right now. Iconic location, right?
Yeah, it's crazy. I won here the 2018 World Championship in Kuala Lumpur, so being again here in Kuala brings me a lot of memories, and to ride here in Kuala Lumpur is amazing. So I don't think there's a better place to start the 26 season and to ride again a MotoGP bike. So really happy to.
Ya, 46 punya racing team pula.
Their bikes, but
Pertamina.
the man who's going to tell us if they're doing a good job or not is someone from their team. Do you reckon we should bring him out?
I think we should because I want this
Kalau
jolly
ikutkan
energy
before
here on
this, aku punya
stage.
A15, aku
Malaysia,
tengok
join us in welcoming
Tengok
into
team ni yang aku nak buat, tapi
Alessia
macam
Salucci, otherwise known as Uchiha.
dapat colour je.
Uchiha!
Yang lain-lain tak buat. Bajet tak ada. So inilah dia asal dia.
Here,
Ciao,
front
ciao,
and center.
ciao. We love
Shout out to
you.
you, sir. Ucho, how was your testing in Sepang?
Ciao to everybody. It was an amazing place. A lot of people. The test in Sepang was good. We started in the right way. We'll see what's happened, but both.
KTM nampak, kita bawa KTM. Ada, apa lah tak ada.
That is so cool. We've had so many teams come through, but Migs, I know you have.
Oren dia tak tahan tu, oren dia nampak tu.
Down there. Tell us, who have you got down there, Migs? Is it someone important?
Guys, very important because it is Pit Byra of Red Bull KTM Factory Racing. Pit, you are a rider yourself. You shared to me that you've had a lot of memories here in Malaysia, but what is your best memory about this place?
Always when you see these enthusiastic and friendly people here, it's so amazing. I came here in the middle of the night, sleeping in the car, like you open the door and just people there and screaming for MotoGP and being our fans of this racing family, and it gives a very special atmosphere, I must say. I really
So tahun ni macam sebelum ni kita jadi fan Yamaha kan, kita dah jadi fan Honda atau all the Japanese lah. Tapi tahun ni kita KTM. Sebab apa? Kita pakai KTM RM4,500 je.
How cool was that? DJ Corsa was playing.
Mari.
We're riding around, and here they come. Make some noise for Red Bull KTM! I swear, every time those bikes ride up,
Orang duk tunggu. Abang Mak kita, abang mak kita.
I'll see you guys back
World
at the main
champion
stage,
kita.
alright? Back to you guys. Let's go.
Yang penuh dengan macam-macam drama pun ada. Kan? Dia dorang tunggu. Tapi dia memang terror lah. Dia memang terror. So jom kita layan. Sekarang ni dia tengah pusing kat belakang. Sekejap lagi dia pergi ke depan ni. Aku tak boleh nak ke sana sebab jauh sangat dah.
Well, not yet. We have to hype up the
merah,
car for this one. Malaysians, are you ready to meet our last team? Come on, you gotta do better than that. Who's ready to meet the defending world champions? Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we present to you the Ducati Lenovo team.
Let's welcome our final two riders, the reigning
Oh,
world
livery dia memang on top kan. Memang baik gila livery dia. Champion ada kamera kat dia. Ya? Special, dia memang special. Kau boleh tengok sekarang ni. By apa dekat TV. Dia tengah pusing-pusing. Sekejap lagi baru dia datang sini. Aku layan lah.
What is this circle?
They're immediately showing off. That's how much confidence they have as the defending world champions of MotoGP.
Oh, we love it. We know the star power that we have coming right now. Marc Marquez and Francesco Bagnaia, otherwise known as Pecco Bagnaia, two MotoGP world champions. And they are coming through, but Migs, we got someone else coming as well?
Yes, why don't we call on the boss for Ducati himself? Let's call on General Manager Gigi Dall'Igna.
Yes.
This guy, what a mind he has for MotoGP. Gigi, it's nice to meet you.
Sorry, I can't hold the microphone in my hand. We gotta ask, how cool is this seeing your bike right now on the streets of Kuala Lumpur?
Yeah, you know, it's nice. Kuala Lumpur is the second home of MotoGP. For sure, the first one is Borgo Panigale and Bologna. But of course, Kuala Lumpur, you know, we are here at least 2 times to do the test and the race. So, you know, it's one of the best places of the world.
How cool is it? Look at all the fans. They've braved the rain tonight. They're here to see your bikes on the streets. Right now, we can see Marc and Pecco. They're out there having some fun. Did you tell them to be a bit careful with the bikes? Be a bit careful?
Absolutely. There is no time to race, so they have to stay calm with the bike and go slow.
And go slow. Migs, I don't know if they're going slow to me.
I don't know, man. Again, the
Orang yang settle. Maybe ada konsert lagi lepas ni apa benda semua. Tapi bukan tujuan kita nak tengok tu. Kita cuma nak tengok apa livery baru, rider-rider yang berkaitan lah. Oh, pengalaman yang best. So maybe ada lagi kita kena pergi lah. Dan nanti tunggu masa dekat Sepang, round dekat Sepang, kita mesti kena turun punya. Sangat best kan. Alright. Bye.
I mean, it's loud, but you can't beat cars.
Weekend tak nak balik. Tak sotong, tak tumpah.
Ya, tu aku bawa. Berat saya. Punyalah ramai manusia kau tengok. Kat saya dalam 7E pun beratur. Tadi lupa nak bawa air, so tak apa je air. Nak tutup dah pun.
7E macam ni ada ais cup.
7E Cafe. Kan? Ha?
Tempat lain tak ada.
Ya. Subway Cafe macam Family Mart lah. Santan je. Santan lah. Creamy coconut shake. Coconut shake, apalah santan. Santan-santan lah. So tu ada milkshake. Alright, settle event kita. Thank you yang mana layan sampai habis. InsyaAllah kalau ada benda menarik lagi, aku akan up lagi video. Ataupun kalau kau support, like, komen dan share, subscribe sekali, aku buat lagi video. Subscribe tu gratis guys, percuma je. Okay, bye.